Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company. I have another very nice prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 1988 Yamaha TDR250. This can be won on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets are £1.99 and the draw will take place on the 16th of August, which is a Sunday at 10 PM. So this particular example, super original. To us it looks all original pipes. Doesn't look like it's been restored at any point. It's in this nice black and yellow colour scheme. We've done two in blue and yellow, so this is the first black and yellow one we've done. This one was imported from Japan, so it's a Japanese import this year actually. So yeah, super original looking machine, really nice with those gold rims. It's also been MOT'd recently, so it's all ready to go. Very easy to start, just got your ignition key at the top as usual, got a kickstart here. And it is obviously a two-stroke twin. This one's got a super distinctive power band as well, so when you're riding it, it's kind of like all or nothing. It's just very fun. You've got a vacuum tap over here, so it's actually been run a minute ago, so we've already got a bit of heat in there. Really low compression, very easy to start. Sounds like kind of a Honda moped when you start it. Not very dramatic at all, but when you rev it, it comes alive. It's a really nice free revving engine, very smooth as well on tickover. So yeah, if you like your TDR 250s, your classic two strokes, this is a super original looking example in very good condition, ready to ride. Tickets are £1.99, draw will take place on the 16th of August, Sunday at 10 PM. You do enter as always, thank you so much for your support and good luck.